another after work drift. One of my favorite days in the week, Friday evening. Everybody's having fun, everybody's having a good time. We have some nice cars here, BMWs, Nissans, S14s, some MX-5s. Yeah, and I got the Chaser with me, the Chaser X. Testing as always, so we'll do how we do. We got some other cars arriving, a Lambo. Let's see how that goes, but I'm sure he'll have some fun. I'll show you around. I hope you like what you see, and I hope you'll be here next time too. So let's see what's going down here. So guys, after drift is over, back in the shop. It's Monday. We wrapped it up fast on Friday evening and got into the weekend with the family. So yeah, back into the shop today. I got the JZX back on the hoist, cleaning up some stuff, getting the engine room ready to do some engine work. Got some stuff, some pictures taken of parts we're selling. Somebody was stripping our PS13, so we got a lot of parts there. Give you a small preview of stuff coming into the shop. If you need anything, hit us up. Yeah, so that's it for now. Make sure to like, subscribe and follow. Like, subscribe and comment, obviously. Make sure to check out our new online shop. We are adding stuff daily. Lots and lots of parts we want to add into the shop. Just takes a lot of time, but if you can't seem to find something you're looking for, hit us up. We got most parts available. We'll gladly do you a quote by email if it's not in the shop. Yeah, so make sure to subscribe, hit us up, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.